Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that has been making waves in the art world: NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are a type of digital asset that are unique and cannot be replaced by something else. They're used to represent ownership of digital art, collectibles, and other digital assets, and they're becoming increasingly popular. One of the main questions that people have about NFTs is whether they will kill traditional art. The short answer is no. NFTs will not kill traditional art. They are simply a new way to buy, sell, and own digital art. However, they do have the potential to change the way we think about art and ownership. For example, in the gaming industry, NFTs are used to represent unique in-game items like weapons, armor, and even virtual land. This allows players to own these items and trade them with others, just like they would with physical collectibles. Another example is in the music industry, where NFTs are used to represent exclusive access to live shows, exclusive merchandise, and even a chance to meet the artist in person. This allows fans to own a piece of their favorite artist's history and increases revenue for the artists themselves. In addition to these benefits, NFTs also allow artists to sell their work directly to buyers, cutting out intermediaries and increasing the artist's share of the sale. They also allow for the creation of unique, one-of-a-kind works that can't be replicated. If you're interested in buying NFTs, you can check out marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, and Super Rare. These marketplaces allow you to browse and purchase NFTs from a variety of artists. In conclusion, NFTs are not going to kill traditional art, but they are a new way to buy, sell, and own digital art that has the potential to change the way we think about art and ownership. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more interesting content.